I did something big. Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and I'm gonna show you an improvement I'm working on, but I gotta tell you why I'm making the improvement. So I'm in this is my garage. This is Lisa and I's dream home. We moved in here 5 years ago, and we've been talking about moving to Southern Utah for about 5 years. We also have a home there that we've owned for 5 years. And we were out there a couple of months ago. We're actually hanging out with Paul Akers and his son Colby. They came to our house and we went and did a bunch of fun stuff. We said, you know what, we really like it here, it's time. That was middle of March. We put the house on the market and we sold it in 2 days. They offered us a bunch of cash and closed, and we gotta be out. And so we are, I'm panic packing. So we're moving to Southern Utah. We're gonna be at a house on May 27th, and I'm out here in the garage and I'm making an improvement. So I'm gonna take you in and I'm gonna show you my improvement on what we're doing to make moving and packing easier. So this is our Ling packing setup. So the first thing I did is I went to Uline and I bought a bunch of boxes and a bunch of bubble wrap because we got a lot of photos and stuff. But I wanted it to be mobile, and so I have got a Dymo twin turbo label printer in here. And then I've got that up. I got a touchscreen laptop, so I just come right in here and type in. And is what I do, I type in what's going into it, and then I print 3 labels. So my SOP is I get one on the top and one on each end, and I try to put them all on the same end, on the end that's gonna have the tape on there. So no matter where it's at, we look at it, it's got baby, those are boxes of board games. We got baby blankets. This is a bowl, not a bowel, just so you know. Misspelling, but that way when we're going to download them, we know what's in it, where it's going to go, and that kind of stuff. And then I put on this workbench that I had that raises up and down. I screwed a closet rod on here to hold my bubble wrap, so that the bubble wrap is there. We zip tied up all the cables so that the printer is there. It's nice and clean, even taped, because I got to take my laptop to work sometimes. When I unplug that cord stays there. So now when we're done in this front room area and go over there, we can just wheel the whole thing right over there. So that's my lean packing setup. We're packing up, cleaning up the house, and we're gonna load everything and head east to Southern Utah. That's what we've got.